Hey everybody, Dave Cook, Franco Finishes. We're here stripping some wallpaper. So the question we get is, how much does it cost to strip wallpaper? And usually the answer is, we charge between $95 to $1.05 per square foot, but really we don't know. It's always with a caveat of, there could be more. So here's a video where we're working, doing some commercial. I'm doing it reverse and kind of see some of the wall on the damage that was there. So as we're pulling the wallpaper off, you can kind of see the lines there, where the previous installer, they used just a regular primer on there and it just pulled the paint off the wall. As you go around the room, you can see more places where we've been patching that wall really heavy. As we keep kind of going around the corners, the walls, and it just really just started pulling off drywall, pulling off the mud, pulling off a little bit of everything as you went around. So we ask, how much does it cost to remove wallpaper? We'll give you a price range, right around about $1 a square foot, and that gets you about an hour to an hour and a half of drywall repairs. But if there's extra stuff on here, we're gonna have to charge extra. And you can kind of see right in the middle on that wall, that big square, when we took the wallpaper off, there was a big hole in the wall, so we had to repair that too. So a lot of stuff we don't see when we're doing the visual inspection. It may come off relatively easy, but in this case, we actually spent, we had 2 men for 6 hours, so 12 actual hours that all we did was remove wallpaper glue on the wall. It was so heavy. So little stuff like that, we just don't know till the wallpaper comes off, because one corner might come off really easy, but there might not have been a lot of glue there. So there's a lot of little hidden things on there that we just don't know. So once the wallpaper comes off, we're gonna do the repairs and make the wall smooth, sand it, and then we're gonna actually put 2 coats of a sealer on this wall to make sure it's a hard surface, because it's getting re-wallpapered again. This one has been on for about 15 years, so hopefully they'll get another 15, 20 years use out of this conference room. If you have any other questions about wallpaper removal and cost, definitely give us a call. David Cook to Franco Finishes. And if you are hearing us maybe on the Paint and Paper podcast, we're going to record the video, audio of this for the podcast we're doing, so you can check out some other questions that we have there to deliver valuable information to you on all your home decorating needs. We're here to help you love the house you live in. Have a great day.